Hello there. Let's go for another Fibble where every line contains a lie. This is a game from the past, from January 23rd in the year 2025. So the starting word today is house. Let's see what we can do with that. While I'm recording this, I'm also watching women's semi-final game for the curling in the Winter Games between Sweden and Canada. And the first end is about to finish. Something like that. Yeah, so let's see what we get from that. Okay, it was very consistent. Um, hmm. Not liking this. Let's go back to the starting word and almost repeat it with mouse. Okay, so this can't be both true, so every repeat is true. This is true, this is true, and therefore this is true. This is also true. Let's suppose this is a lie. We should have a new somewhere and an age somewhere. Mm, that's possible. Let's see. This will be true. This will be true. This will be true. So we would need a V, but then this would be true, and this would be I, and we would need an M. So this can't be. So it's more likely that this is alive, this is alive, and this is alive. And then the S should be in the second or third position, or both, but that seems quite unlikely. Is that a word like that? That's two S's, right? Yeah, I think so. Let me think. It's hard. Caddy. Oh, but then where is the S? Well, but it would give me some information about the vowels. Yeah, let's try that. Hmm. Word? Hmm. This is true. This is true. Let's see. There is an S, it's not here. So if there is only one S, this right. this was a lie. Then the S should be here. And this would be a lie, and we need also T and E. So this is true. There is only one S. Okay, this is nice. So if this is a lie, then the S goes here, and this is a lie, and this is true, and this is true, and this is true, and we should have, which is not a word. So this is also true. We should have the C or the T, because this can't be both true. Oh, this is a lie, this is a lie, and we could have waste. Oh, okay, nice. This is a lie, this is true, 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 this is indeed a lie, this is true, and most likely this. Let's see, there is only one S, so this is true. Let's see now. Let's suppose if this was true, then we should have an H here, but then this would be a lie, and we have, so this is indeed a lie, and this is a lie, and the age is not here, so there is no age, and this is a lie, and this is true, this is a lie, and this is true. So that we have. Let's see. This is true, this is true, this is a lie, because either of these would be a lie, we should have 6 letters. So, is that a word? It is. But this is a lie, this is true, this is true, this is true, this is true, and probably paste, but let's put faucet, while we still have some margin for it. Oh, can't be taste because the T don't go in the first position. So paste, it's what I think it is. S can't go in the first position. Oh, there is no H. So this is right. These are all true. And let's not try NAS, and let's go to paste. Okay, Bye for now.